How to create a task in Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to create a task in Wrike. So to get started, go ahead and open Wrike into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then once you're inside it, go ahead and click on your specific project or folder where you want to create a task to. And then from here, head over into the table tab and then click on this item button, which you'll find below the last task listed on your table. So once you click on this, you'll be able to set this into tasks. So simply set it into tasks and then go ahead and create a name for this task. Add a assignee of this task. Set the status of this task. Set the due date of the task. Set the budget, the impact, and upload the files needed for the task. And that is how you can basically create a task in Wrike. So that will vary depending on how your project and folder will look like. So mine looks like this. So this is how you can basically do that for this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.